Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen of VanVeenBulbs.com. And in this series, we're going to learn all about South African flower bulbs, my favorite bulbs in the whole entire universe. There's lots of varieties, and they do really well in gardens all over the world. The first South African bulb we're going to talk about is Ixia, I-X-I-A. It's a beautiful plant from South Africa that's in the iris family, so it grows a lot like an iris. It likes sun or part shade, and it blooms in the summertime. It's a beautiful plant. It looks a lot like a coral bell. It doesn't like the shade like coral bells do, but it has one long stem with many, many blooms on it that look like little bells. So the blooms themselves last a long time. I get over a month on them, and I just love them. Ixia bulbs are really tiny. They're like a little iris. And so they're just a little Hershey's Kiss candy. So you plant them about 3 inches deep in sun or part shade. And the trick is they like to be crowded. So put like 3 or 5 or 6 or 12 in one group, and they'll be a lot happier than one by itself. Because they're social just like people are, and they love to be in groups. Most years the Ixia will winter over in the northwest, but if we have a really hard winter or an ice storm, sometimes I'll lose them. So either put them around the eaves or in a sunny spot in a raised bed and risk it. Or you can just put them in a pot or dig them up for the winter and put them in the garage and then put them back out in the spring. Either way, they're a great addition to your garden, a great South African plant. Next, we'll talk about oxalis.